Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. Just want to recap the Astro Excel and see where we are right now for the week. We got a slow down move that we were anticipating from Monday night on into yesterday. Now we're into this upward pressure zone where we had the big impulse bar in the last hour. Now we've got both lines moving up for the rest of the day, then the lines diverge. Green line will be up until tomorrow, about 5:30 in the morning or so. And we've got this big spike on the blue line. Let's take a look at the trigger points. Here is the Vedic timing window chart. You can see we came into this big bright green window on the A2 panel. And then we got a couple of trigger points in there. Had a long triggered right after the London Open about 3:30, and not long ago we had a reversal point on the white A1 window here at 5:24. Took a while to get out of the box, but then we got the big impulse move up. So the trigger points are once again working, consistently well every day. So we had a new low right here. We got a little rally back, and then we made a new low right here inside this window, and now we've since traded up, taking out these prior highs. So when you take these tools and use them in combination, you're going to do really well. You can use the Cosmo, the pH, the rainbow indicators to also fine-tune really nice trigger points inside these larger timing windows. So that's all I want to show for today. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow.